Your thunderstorm warning for central Lemhi County and east central Idaho until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. It's 4:43 p.m.
I feel it on the phone.
Tsunami warning. Right there. Lacrosse issue. Oh, man. Oh, the KXAL is going to relay that one. I'm going to keep the station on in case that they relay the new SVR from Lacrosse.
severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Appleton to 8 miles southeast of State Center, moving at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour winds.
Don't fade.
Severe thunderstorms will be near Marshall County around 7 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect for the ruined area. Tornadoes can develop quickly after the
What's up?
The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Steele County, Rice County until 8 p.m. At 7:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near St. Peter to near Jamesville to near New Richland, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Expect damage to roofs, sidings, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Morristown around 7:30 p.m. Warsaw around 7:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Ortona, Faribault, Dundas, and Northfield. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for south central Minnesota. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 11 p.m. for south central Minnesota. For your protection, be sure to make sure that you're on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for south central Minnesota. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 11 p.m. for south central Minnesota. Finish your game before you set the record and keep it up. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Blackfoot County in northeastern Iowa, Eastern Tama County in central Iowa, Bremer County in northeastern southeastern Iowa, northeastern Glenby County in central Iowa, eastern Butler County in north central Iowa until 8:30 p.m. At 7:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Shell Rock to near Bell Plain, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Expected hazards included 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by 20 spotters. The following effects are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near. Waves up to around 7:50 p.m. This includes interstates 380 between mile markers 56 or 73. This is a difficult situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across northeast Iowa. Keep shelter now inside a steady structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central, north central, and northeastern Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: West Hawk, Bell, Butler, Glenby, and Fremont. Jamie Ross from American World.
February of 2024. UCLA basketball coach Mick Cronin is now in COVID-19 protocols and won't be on the sideline for tonight's game against Alabama State. Pro sports now dealing with another wave of COVID-19 infections. ESPN's Emily Kaplan reports the NHL will implement enhanced COVID-19 protocols, including daily testing through at least January 7th.
Coming up Thursday, the AFC playoff race may just come down to which quarterback is healthiest. So we'll tell you the latest on Josh Allen, Lamar Jackson, and Joe Burrow. Thursday morning on Keyshawn, J. Will and Max.
The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Dakota County, Ridgeview County in southeastern Minnesota, northeastern Rice County until 8:30 p.m. At 7:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Webster to Kennedy to near Dodge Center, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Juan Mingo around 7:55 p.m. Time, Ione around 8:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include W, Wells, and Red Wing. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for South Central, southeastern and east central Minnesota, and west central Wisconsin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for South Central, southeastern and east central Minnesota, and west central Wisconsin. Southwest of Allen County, Buchanan, Iowa.
Hi.
We're having a look and we put the pads on against drone bleeping men. But I tell you this, if you don't have those big boy bad A's coming in, you don't have a shot. Yeah. Once you get them, you know, got to do something with it. You have to develop them. Yeah, and I wonder how much of that went into Travis Hunter not going to Florida State, number 2 ranked recruit in the country, and deciding to why he's traded an FCS school, a historically black college school, when it comes to Jackson State. And it goes back to something I heard last night from Buddy Pugh of South Carolina State. His team's about to play Jackson State this weekend in the Cricket Celebration Bowl, noon Eastern time on ABC on Saturday. And he said, yep, he had his doubts when Deion Sanders and Jackson State decided to get together. But now,
I'm looking forward to seeing, just what kind of atmosphere we have with Coach Prime over the other side of that field. He's had tremendous success in a very short period of time in that Jackson State program. And I was one of the doubters, when he took that job. But I can tell you, I've got a newfound respect for what he's done there.
The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Pepin County, Pierce County, Dunn County, Eastern St. Croix County until 8:45 p.m. At 8:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Prescott to near Bay City to near Pippin, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Pippin around 8:15 p.m. Palm City around 8:20 p.m. Durand and Elmwood around 8:25 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Baldwin, Hammond, Eau Valley, Woodville, Romney, Glenwood City, Boyceville, and Elkhorn. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southeastern and east central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. For your protection, you should carry a room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southeastern and east central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin.
down the lane to get in some